Ever wanted to draw a cartoon character that actually moves? This simple tutorial will teach you how to bring your drawings to life with a few easy steps. Get ready to unleash your inner animator and create hilarious characters that'll have you laughing out loud. Step 1. Draw the eyes. Step 2. Draw the goggles. Step 3. Start outlining the body. Step 4. Start drawing the overalls. Step 5. Continue drawing the body. Step 6. Draw the arms. Step 7. Finish the overalls. Step 8. Draw the legs. Step 9. Add a smile and hair. Step 10. Color in your drawing.